Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a Timesaver's 137-2 HD dual head wide belt sander. If you have questions about pricing, availability, or if you have surplus machinery you'd like to sell, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Also remember that all of our machines are located right here in Naperville, Illinois, and that we do not broker tools to ensure quality. We are also processing anywhere from 40 to 50 additional machines, so check back often, as we do not list machines until they have been thoroughly cleaned and checked. This is a Timesaver's 137-2 HD dual head wide belt sander. 36-inch capacity, 8-inch thickness capacity. It's a really clean machine. Everything is functioning on it. First of all, this mat, the feed mat, is about at 50%. It's still nice and tacky and there's no dry rot, so it's nice and flexible still, and it's not rotted out. And again, it does get tacky when you dress it, which is what you want to see. There are a couple of Mars in it, but it is very usable and does not need to be replaced anytime soon. Again, it does have an 8-inch thickness capacity, so we'll open all the way up to 8 inches. It adjusts as it should. As you can see, it raises and lowers really nicely. Do have a numeric counter. First head is a helical grooved rubber drum. There are no nicks or Mars in that drum. Second head is a platen. You have two idler wheels with a platen. That platen can be adjusted up and down. Does have brand new graphite on that platen. We'll just take a quick stand, walk back for a second, and as you can see, it's nice and clean. Again, this is a really good, clean example of a 137. We do currently have the safety switch zip tied back so you can see it run. You should not disengage any safeties. We are doing it just for the video. Does have a variable speed. It's a 1.5 horsepower variable speed drive. Again, if you look, it's a really clean case. You do have two motors. Your first head is 25 horsepower and your second head is a 15 horsepower motor. To start this machine, you have to reset everything. To reset, you simply just push in, and to turn it on, you simply pull. We're just going to let you see the whole conveyor, the full condition of it. As you can see, it tracks really nicely. Adjust that variable speed. Again, a really clean Timesavers 137 2 HD. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.